Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 17 Pro and Xiaomi 15T Pro. Today, we're diving into their jaw-dropping specs, from display brilliance and powerhouse chipsets to camera innovations and battery endurance. Which phone boasts the most vibrant screen with cutting-edge tech? Can the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 outpace the Dimensity 9400 Plus? How do their cameras stack up in real-world shooting? And with massive batteries and sleek builds, which device truly dominates durability and memory? Stick around because by the end, we'll ask the million-dollar question. Is the Xiaomi 17 Pro's secondary rear display just a flashy gimmick or a game-changer you can't live without? Let's find out. The Xiaomi 17 Pro flaunts a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED main display with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR Vivid, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 3500 nits, plus a unique secondary 2.7-inch rear LTPO AMOLED display matching those specs for multitasking and notifications, definitely a standout feature that elevates user interaction beyond the standard. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 15T Pro's larger 6.83-inch AMOLED screen pushes a faster 144Hz refresh rate and high peak brightness of 3200 nits, but lacks that innovative secondary display. The 17 Pro's dual display setup is a bold technical leap that redefines smartphone versatility and user engagement. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 17 Pro runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with an octa-core CPU featuring two blazing 4.61 GHz cores paired with the powerful Adreno 840 GPU, delivering superior raw performance and efficiency. The Xiaomi 15T Pro counters with the Mediatek Dimensity 9400, also a 3-nano chip, but with a more complex core setup and Immortalis G925 GPU. While both are cutting-edge, the Snapdragon's higher clock speeds and Adreno GPU give the 17 Pro a clear edge for gaming and heavy multitasking. In terms of extras, the Xiaomi 17 Pro shines with ultra-wideband UWB support for precise spatial awareness, AI real-time translation, a magic backscreen, and a massive vapor chamber cooling system that keeps thermals in check during intense use. The 15T Pro offers Dolby Atmos speakers, a 3-mic array for crisp audio recording, and a robust 3D ice loop cooling system. Yet, the 17 Pro's combination of UWB and an innovative rear display really pushes the envelope on smart, interactive features. Photography-wise, the Xiaomi 17 Pro sports a versatile triple 50MP camera system, including a wide f1.7 lens with dual-pixel PDAF and OIS, plus a periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and a TOF 3D sensor for depth. It also supports ultra-high-res video like 8K at 30 FPS and 4K up to 120 FPS with advanced HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. The 15T Pro matches the 50MP main and telephoto lenses but swaps the ultra-wide to 12MP and lacks the TOF sensor. The 17 Pro's sensor size and advanced video capabilities make it the better choice for pro-grade photography and videography. Both phones feature Leica semi-lux lenses, but the Xiaomi 17 Pro setup includes a laser AF, color spectrum sensor, and a Lighthunter 950L sensor that supports an impressive 16.5 EV dynamic range and backlit portrait mode, enhancing low light and portrait shots dramatically. The 15T Pro leans into AI scene detection and an extreme zoom stabilization UI, topping out at 100x zoom, but the 17 Pro's advanced sensor tech and dynamic range give it the upper hand in image quality and versatility. When it comes to stamina, the Xiaomi 17 packs a hefty 6300 mAh battery compared to the 15T Pro's 5500 mAh. That extra capacity means longer usage between charges, especially important given the 17 Pro's dual display setup and high-end performance demands. For power users, this difference could be the deciding factor. Both models feature premium glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but the 17 Pro uses dragon crystal glass up front and fiber on the back, while the 15T opts for Gorilla Glass 7i front and fiber back. These choices affect durability and feel, with Dragon Crystal offering a unique balance of toughness and clarity on the 17 Pro. Durability is tight for both, with IP68 dust and water resistance, but the Xiaomi 15T Pro can survive deeper immersion up to 3 meters versus 1.5 meters on the 17 Pro. Additionally, the 15T Pro boasts a reinforced 6M13 aluminum alloy frame with higher rigidity, making it potentially more robust against drops and bends. Memory options are similar, with both offering up to 1 TB storage and 12 GB RAM variants. However, the Xiaomi 17 pushes further with a 16 GB RAM option paired with 512 GB and 1 TB storage for enhanced multitasking and future-proofing, ideal for power users and heavy app multitaskers.